So today, the generator died. I don't know what's wrong with this fucking thing. I'm not an expert on generators. I don't know anything about this mechanical shit. However, there it be. And I'm gonna see what's what. See if I can see what I can do with this thing. Curtis isn't here. He's the mechanical expert. So it's my turn. It's not the first time. Last time I had to replace the starter. And then it didn't work. And I thought I failed just to find out the fuse was blown. So this is a new one, but we're going to give it a shot. Here we go. So, turn this baby around. Undid the ground wire. I'm going to dig in and see what I can find out in here. We'll see. So I got this ugly fucking thing. I'm going to fill up that bitch over there. See if I can make this work. It's completely out of oil. How that happened, I don't know. Just checked it like a week ago. So, I'm thinking this generator might be on its way out. It's been a good generator, but it might be on its way out. Let's keep our fingers crossed it's not. Because that's an investment I'm not really wanting to make right this minute. So, cross your fingers. So, we're going to put this little nozzle in that little hole and see what happens. When it's like 0 degrees out here, this has got to be the slowest fucking process. My God, it's like, come on. I'm only putting in a few ounces. How the fuck is this taking so long? So, 2 hours later, we'll have some oil in here. 10 years later. Almost there. So I got the spark plug out. It looks a little funky and dirty, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. It's the first time I've ever done this shit. What do you think? I don't know. Let's give it a clean. So I took the spark plug out of there. Clean this baby off. And I'm hoping that this is good. This is not my area of expertise. However, get out. I got these tools. This fucking shit. Learn something new all the time, right? I've never done a spark plug before, so we'll see. Putting it back in. Get it tight. I think I got it tight. Gotta get that bolt out, man. Okay. Put this bitch back on. I don't have very strong hands, so sometimes it's not so easy. Okay, let's put it back together. So I got it all back together, sitting back where it's supposed to, put the ground wire on. Still not wanting to start. No power. So, we might be screwed. The pooch might be screwed here. I hope not. Curtis needs to come fix this thing. Or look at it. I don't know what I'm doing. So it may be time for a new generator. This one may be dead. Yeah, I'm not thinking it's gonna work. I got it running. It's running. Okay, so I'm not a failed mechanic. Just like with the starter. I just had to keep messing with it some. So you hear it running. It's running. However, when I plug shit into it, it's kind of like, so maybe it just ran out of oil. I can't believe that. However, Curtis did just inform me, which is crazy. He says they advise you check the oil every 8 hours. 8 hours! Nobody ever told me that. I've never seen Curtis check it every 8 hours of runtime. No wonder. No wonder. I'm gonna be checking that bitch a whole lot more now because this is insane. Not fun.